Check out this free book on Amazon, Financially Independent Teens. What does your teen need to know when going off to college? Is your teen ready for college finances? Comparing colleges. What you really need to know before choosing college is about more than academics. It's a crash course in real life. For many teens, this is their first time managing money on their own, and the stakes are high. Without guidance, young adults can quickly fall into debt, mismanage credit, or simply run out of cash mid-semester. That's why financial literacy is one of the most important skills your child can take with them to campus. When your teen leaves for college, they're not just packing clothes and school supplies. They're taking on adult responsibilities. That includes creating and following a budget, using credit cards responsibly, planning for unexpected costs. Without these skills, students can face stress, debt, and even drop out due to financial pressures. But with the right tools and guidance, they can develop the confidence to manage their money wisely. What to compare when choosing a college? Cost of attendance, excluding loans. Time to graduate, 4-year versus 5-year plus rates. Post-graduation employment and average starting salary. Housing, on-off-campus options and costs. Meal plans and food costs. Are they required? Can you cook? Want to go deeper? Check out Financially Independent on Teens on Amazon.
Introducing Financially Independent Teens. Financially Independent Teens is a story-based book written by Nancy Bugandine that blends personal finance education with engaging narratives to help teens understand and apply essential money principles. Perfect for reading solo or as a parenting resource. Topics covered include budgeting and sticking to it, managing credit cards wisely, evaluating and comparing college costs, understanding student loans and financial aid, setting up checking/savings accounts, exploring early retirement savings options, investing basics and the power of compounding, real-world consequences of poor credit, renting, deposits, job applications. Open Book His isn't just theory. The book uses examples and stories to bring financial lessons to life in a way teens will actually get. Smart planning equals long-term payoff. Graduating in 4 years instead of 5 or 6 saves thousands in tuition and helps launch your teen's career sooner. Good credit matters. Many landlords and utility providers check credit scores and may require large deposits without one. Chart increasing teens with jobs can open retirement accounts and take advantage of employer matches. Investing early makes a huge difference over time. Understanding the real cost of college and evaluating financial aid packages carefully can make or break your teen's financial future. Of employer matches. Investing early makes a huge difference over time. And don't forget, understanding the real cost of college and analyzing financial aid packages wisely can make or break your teen's financial future. Mobile phone with Arrow, ready to learn more? Go to Amazon and get Financially Independent Teens. Visit our website for info, free resources, and direct links to purchase.